Hey everyone, my name is Dennis and I am the Social and Community Manager here at Netgate, and today we're going to talk about the upgrade process for pfSense. Now, to help our users in updating their software, we do have upgrade documentation that covers the process from start to finish, and we also have an upgrade tips page here which covers the same information but has it outlined in more of a checklist format. I'll make sure to link both of these in the description below. The first thing we want to do with any upgrade is to make sure we have a backup of the current configuration by going to Diagnostics, then Backup and Restore, just in case we run into any issues. Now, if you're running pfSense inside of a virtual machine, it's a little different. You'll just want to make sure that you have recent snapshots in case you have to revert back. Next, we'll take a look at packages. The most important thing to remember with packages is you do not want to upgrade any package before upgrading pfSense, as this could cause problems with the upgrade itself. Of course, the safest practice is to remove all packages before upgrading. For our demo, we only have pfBlocker installed, and like most packages, it has a setting that you can choose that will keep the current configuration in the event of an installation, upgrade, or uninstall. Once we have that option selected, we can go ahead and uninstall this package. Since most pf installs have long uptimes between reboots, you're going to want to do a simple reboot of your system just to make sure it boots properly and there are no hardware problems. For our video, I've already rebooted our SG-1100 and everything was fine. Now that we have our backups, packages removed, and we've done our pre-upgrade reboot, we can go ahead and start the update process. We'll go ahead and select the latest stable version and then click Confirm. The key here is to be patient and do not turn off the system or reboot until the update is complete. Most of the time the updates are fairly quick, but there could be times when updates take more time than usual. For this video today, we'll go ahead and fast forward to our SG-1100 being updated. Now let's go ahead and log back into our system. You can see here that after our upgrade, we must accept the copyright notice. And we also have a link to an ongoing user survey. This survey allows you to provide feedback to our team that helps shape the future of pfSense. Now that we have the current release of pfSense running, we can go ahead and go to the Package Manager and reinstall our packages, which in our case is just pfBlocker. Since we made sure to select the option to keep the current configuration before our update, once we have pfBlocker installed, we'll go into the settings and we'll see that everything is just how it was before the upgrade and there's nothing else for us to configure. If you have more packages to install, you would want to do that now. Once you have all of your packages installed, you'll just want to go through and check all of your settings just to be safe. Hopefully this video saves you some time and trouble during your pfSense upgrades. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to the channel for more videos from the Netgate team.